Good morning friends. In previous lecture we have discussed about the neighboring countries of our India. In west Pakistan is there and Afghanistan is there, and in north Nepal, China, Tibet, and in east Myanmar, Bhutan, and in the south Sri Lanka, Maldives. These all are our neighboring country. Now today we are going to discuss about the effect of longitude and latitude on our country. The Tropic of Cancer, which divides our country into two equal parts. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. We are going to know the name of 8 states, and also we are going to discuss about why there is a 2 hours difference in the sun rising in Arunachal Pradesh and in Gujarat. The sun rises at 4 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh, but it rises at 6 a.m. in Gujarat. Why 2 hours difference is there? We are going to discuss this. Our earth is spherical in shape, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis, and the circle is of 360 degree. To complete 360 degree, it takes 24 hours. Then how much time is taken to complete 1 degree? It is 12 to the 24, 12 to the 36, then again 2 and the 2, 15 the, it is 15 degree in 1 hour. 15 degree in 1 hour means 15 degree in 60 minutes. Then 51 the 15 and 15 for the 60. In this way we find out to complete 1 degree rotation, it is taking 4 minutes, and the difference between Arunachal Pradesh and the Gujarat, the longitudinal difference between Arunachal Pradesh to that of Gujarat, it is about 30 degree. 30 degree. When we multiply 30 with 4 minutes, it is 120 minutes. That is why 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. That is why the sun rises early, 2 hours early in Arunachal Pradesh, and 2 hours late in Gujarat. This is the effect of latitudinal extent of our country. In previous lecture I have discussed about what is the latitudinal extent of our country India, you know, and when we get its difference, when we minus 97 degree 25 minutes 68 degree, and it is 7 minutes, the answer will come about, it is about 30 degree, and to complete 30 degree earth takes 2 hours. That is why the difference in the sun rising is 2 hours from Arunachal Pradesh to the Gujarat. In the map of India, it is given, it is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer. It is dividing our country into 2 equal parts. It is going from the center of the country and it is passing through 8 states. It is Gujarat, then some part of Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, and then Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, and after Tripura and Mizoram. These are the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. And now we are going to discuss about the area of Kanyakumari. Here the difference in day night is very less, because in equatorial area the day and night remains equal all over the year, throughout the year, and this area is near to the equator. As you know, its latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4, and when we move from this area to northward, the differences is more in daylight, because the sun ray it passes direct in this area, but in Jammu and Kashmir the slanting rays falls, because it is far from the equator, and in equatorial area day night occurs equally of 12 hours day and 12 hours night. But when we move from northward, the latitudes increases, and when the latitude increases, the sun ray do the slanting effect on that area. That's why the difference between day and night it is felt more in Jammu and Kashmir area.